The Fire Alarm Technician's Standard. Neat isn't optional, it's code. Clean work saves time, earns respect, and keeps you out of trouble. As of 2026, most of my references will be based on NFPA 70 2026 edition and NFPA 72 2025 edition. What we do in this trade doesn't change much code-wise over time, but occasionally you will see a change that could affect a job. It's in your best interest to keep up to date on changes and which version of code is being enforced in your area. Your work represents you long after you leave the job. Clean wiring and labeling aren't extra, they're required. It's not just pride, it's inspection and service, survival. Electrical code requires that equipment shall be installed in a professional and skillful manner. Fire alarm code requires that components shall be installed, tested, inspected, and maintained in accordance with the manufacturer's published instructions and the code. What this means is the code doesn't just want equipment installed, it wants it installed the way it was tested. Follow the instructions, follow the listing, and you're following the code. In plain terms, do it right, do it safe, do it clean. Electrical code requires that equipment shall be installed and used in accordance with any instructions included in the listing or labeling. Listed means tested and approved by UL or another recognized testing laboratory. Some modern code and manufacturer language now uses professional and skilled workmanship instead of neat and workmanlike manner. Same meaning, different words. Both demand pride, precision, and competence. Whether it's called workmanlike or professional, the expectation hasn't changed. Do it right, do it safe, and make it look like you meant it. What this means in the field: straight wire runs, not birds' nests. Tight terminations, no loose connections. Properly supported, labeled, and secured cables. Panels that look intentional, not accidental. If the next technician can understand your work, you've done your job. What sloppy costs you? Failed inspections and rework. Callbacks that waste time and pride. Lost credibility with PMs, inspectors, and fellow technicians. A messy panel today becomes tomorrow's troubleshooting nightmare. If you've got to keep explaining your work, it probably wasn't good enough. The technician's signature. Every job you touch is your signature, written in wire, tape, and label. Inspectors see your craftsmanship before they see your name. Work clean, label clearly, follow the code. Because neat isn't optional, it's code. Nobody sees you in the ceiling or in the panel, but everyone sees the results of your work. It's my job to clean up the mess, even when I didn't make it. It's my job to make sure the system is ready when it's needed. Craftsmanship isn't extra, it's the job. It's my job to be better than the rest, and that makes a day for me. Mac McAnally. Neat, code-compliant work builds trust and reliability. Good routing and labeling make service and inspection easy. Neatness doesn't stop faults, but it makes fixing them faster. Work clean, label true. Neatness proves you care.